Variance from BSc 2H. So for today's video, we are going to have an example for mean, variance, and standard deviation on my subject, which is the engineering data analysis. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we have here the example for mean, variance, and standard deviation. Given the probability distributed of the random variable x, calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of it. Mean, variance, and standard deviation of x. So, sulat ko muna yung table, x and fx. X for random variable. So, we have 6 random variable. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, ang ating fx for 0 is equal to 0.02. For 1, 0.20. So, 2, 0.3 or 0.30. So, 3, 0.30. And 4, 0.1. And sa ating 5 is equal to 0.08. So, pag pinag-add natin to, magiging sagot niya ay 1. So, tama. Next, we need to solve the mean. So, to solve the mean, we have mu is equal to summation of x, f, x. So, mu is equal to 0. We have x, 0, multiplied by 0.2. Plus 1 multiplied by 0.20 plus 2 multiplied by 0.30 plus 3 multiplied by 0.30 again, and plus 4 multiplied by 0.1, and plus we have 5 multiplied by 0.0. So 0.02 is equal to 0. So cancel natin. Mu is equal to 1 multiplied by 20, 0 or 0.20 equals to 0.2, plus 2 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to 0.6, plus 3 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to 0.9, plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0.4, and last 5 multiplied by 0.08 is equal to 0.4. So, now, our mu is equal to 0.2 multiplied by 0, plus 0.8 is equal, plus 0.6 is equal to 0.8, plus 0.9 is equal to 1.7, plus 0.4 is equal to 2.1, and plus 0.4 again is equal to 2.5. So, this is our mu. Submit natin. So, lagay natin dito. Mean is equal to 2.50. Next, we have the variance. Second, variance natin is equal to summation of x squared multiplied by f of x minus mu squared, or mean squared. So, first, let's find muna to kung ano yung sagot natin sa summation of x squared fx. So, summation of x fx is equal to 0 squared multiplied by 0.2 0.02 multiplied by plus 1 squared multiplied by 0.2 plus 2 squared multiplied by 0.3 plus 3 squared multiplied by 0.3 again plus 4 squared multiplied by 0.1 plus 5 squared multiplied by 0.08. So, here, summation of x fx natin is ito, cancel natin dahil 1. Hindi pala. So, cancel na natin ito dahil 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. multiplied by 0.02 is equal to 0. 1 squared is equal to 1 multiplied by 0.2 is equal to 0.2 plus 2 squared is equal to 4 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to 1.2 plus 3 squared is equal to 9 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to 2.7 plus 4 squared is equal to 16 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 1.6 plus 5 squared is equal to 25 multiplied by 0.08 is equal to 25 multiplied by 0.08. So, say 25 and 0.08 is equal to 0, 4, 16, 20. So, 1, 2, we have 2. So, here, 2 plus 2.7 is 4.7 plus 1.2 is equal to 5.9 plus 1.2 plus 0.2, 5.9 plus 0.2 is equal to 6.1 plus 1.6 equal to 7.7. So, meron na tayong summation of x squared of f of x. So, para mabuo natin o para makuha natin ang ating variance, we need to subtract these to mean squared. So, squared is equal to 7.70 minus mean natin, mean squared is 2.5. 2.5 squared. So, you have only here the 1.45. So, variance natin. Variance is equal to 1.45. So, dahil naman i-note natin siya dito sa gilid natin, pwede naman na natin itong burahin ang ating pinagsolvan kanina. So, to solve the standard deviation, our standard deviation here. So, is equal to square root of variance. Tama ba ginagawa natin? So, ating standard deviation equals to square root of 1.45. So, ang ating standard deviation ngayon ay is equal to 1.204. So, ito ang ating standard deviation. So, this is the answer for this problem.